Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw USDC via BEP20 to Binance US then to bank step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred cryptocurrency wallet that supports USDC on the BEP20 network. Locate the USDC balance within your wallet. Select the option to withdraw or send USDC. In the recipient field, enter your Binance US deposit address for USDC. If you haven't already, log into your Binance US account and navigate to the Wallet section. Click on Deposit and select USDC to find your deposit address. Copy the address provided by Binance US. Return to your wallet and paste the Binance US deposit address you copied. Double-check the address to ensure it is correct. Enter the amount of USDC you wish to withdraw. Review any transaction fees associated with the withdrawal. Confirm the withdrawal transaction in your wallet. Wait for the transaction to process, which may take a few minutes. Once the USDC appears in your Binance US account, navigate to the Withdraw section. Select USDC for withdrawal. Enter the amount of USDC you wish to withdraw to your bank account. Choose your linked bank account for the withdrawal. Review the transaction details, ensuring everything is correct. Submit your withdrawal request. Monitor the withdrawal status within your Binance US account. Once processed, check your bank account to confirm receipt of the funds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.